Come on. Okay. There you go. Oh.
Colossal. Okay.
Yay, Gracie! Come to me. Oh. You're okay. Get back up. Try again. There you go. Maybe you're getting a little tired. Oh, Daddy's gonna make you go the long way. Watch out, Aubrey. Come on. Come on. Yay! Yay! Yes! You did such a good job. We're gonna get all sick from the camera going crazy. Yay, Gracie! Ready to go again? All right. Here we go. You want to sit for a second? Yes. Are you ready? Here we go. Hop down. There you go. All right.
Yes!
Yay!
Yeah! Come on. Okay. Go, Mama. Where's Charlotte? Go see Mama.
Come here. Come here. Oh, 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 oh. Yay! Ooh. There she goes. Mama didn't even push her off.
Good job.
You gonna come back? Give her Lucky. Give her Lucky. There's Lucky. Yes. Yeah. You're okay.
Look at. There you go.
Yay! Good job. All right, now we got to make her stand up on her own. She does it in the grass. Look at her, watch. She's gonna do it. No, no, make her do it. Or not. Oh, oh, she wants to. Downward dog. She's trying. Yay! Crazy! All right, what? All right, what?
Have her come to me again.
Okay. Give her a second. Oh, or you could crawl to Daddy and then walk to me so I can get the front of you.
Oh. Wow. Come here. Oh. All right, once more, and then that's it. Nope, she's done.
All done, Gracie?
All done? We want one more. Okay, come on. We're all done.
All right. Good job.
Say goodbye.
Yay, Gracie!